In this video, I will be showing you how to activate GapTrader Expert Advisor in Forex Pair. First of all, make sure that the use of Expert Advisors in general is enabled. To check this, you should go to Tools Options and pick Allow Live Trading. In the next step, open the Forex Pair chart of your desire, for example, pound to dollar, by clicking on the specific pair and selecting Chart Window. It is important to have in mind that the GapTrader works in H1 time frame, and therefore the H1 time frame should always be selected for gap trading. Then, to activate GapTrader Expert Advisor, you should go to the Navigator window and simply drag and drop the GapTrader icon to pound to dollar chart. An input window will be shown with the following parameters: lot size, magic number, stop loss in pips, and trailing stop loss in pips. Lot size, as the world itself reveals, is the desired lot size for each position that will be opened. But be careful. As the GapTrader Expert Advisor opens 3 positions for each Forex pair, if a gap does occur on market's Monday opening, the total lots for each pair will be 3 times the selected level, 1 for each position. The lot size parameter can take an integer or a decimal value, with the default one being set to 1 lot. Magic number is a key parameter for GapTrader's function. It should be a non-zero, non-negative integer value. The magic number helps the Expert Advisor to distinguish in first place between any non-gap trading already open positions and the gap trading ones, with the first being unaffected by GapTrader and second being different Forex pairs that are selected by gap trading. Stop loss in pips is the initial stop loss distance for the positions that will be opened by GapTrader. Its value should be a positive integer and its default value is set to 100. In any case, it should not be set to a value less than the pair's stop level that is set by the broker. Trailing stop loss in pips is the stop loss distance that will be used for trailing after the initial gap is reached. In the case that the input value is less than the actual gap distance on Monday in runtime, GapTrader will set trailing stop loss in pips equal to the gap size. The purpose of this is to ensure that after the first gap is filled, position B and C will have the worst case scenario loss of 0 and an unlimited free ride potential. After you have filled the input parameters according to your preferences, press the OK button and GapTrader is on. Make sure that the face in the top right corner of the chart is smiling, and if not, just click the Expert Advisor button so that the play icon is visible. To activate the GapTrader to another Forex pair, repeat the following procedure, not forgetting to input a different value in the magic number parameter. The only limit to the number of pairs in which you can activate the GapTrader is your broker's list of available currency pairs. And now a visual example of how GapTrader works. On Monday's market opened, if the Friday last H1 candle low is higher than the Monday's opening price by more than 10 pips, 3 long positions, position A, B, and C are opened. From now on, the price difference will be called gap. All 3 positions have an initial stop loss set to a user-specific level, although the default and recommended stop loss level is set to 100 pips. Position A has a take profit level that is set 1 gap distance away from the opening price. Position B has a take profit level equal to 2 gaps distance from the opening price. And position C does not have a take profit level. Once position A is closed, in other words, once the first gap distance is reached, positions B and C stop loss is set to the 0 loss level, and the trailing stop loss function kicks in, starting the free ride part of the strategy. Should the price move more to your favor, it trails the stop loss level upwards for a long position or downwards for a short position, maximizing your potential profits. The trailing stop loss distance from the current price is set to a user-defined level expressed in pips, with the default level set to 39 pips. GapTrader will close all positions that are still open by next Monday and whose gap distance has not been filled, letting open all winning bets and their free ride potential for maximum profits.